Oh, just got some new stock grants. Eh, eh.
Hi, my name is Dr. David Oliver, I'm a chiropractor, and today what we're going to talk to you about is forward head posture. Forward head posture is basically anytime you take your head and it gets moved in front of your body. It's an abnormal posture that we see in people, and it's probably the number one postural distortion I see with my patients. And there's a really good reason for this. It's what we all do in society nowadays. Sitting in front of computers, driving our cars, texting on our phones, all of those activities involve focusing on something in front of you. And anytime your body focuses on something in front of it, the tendency is to move forward. So if we're looking at a computer screen, your body is going to want to move or get closer to that object. And then when we're texting, which is super common nowadays, we have this position. Again, your head is in front of your body, so that's that forward head posture. The reason this is so problematic is the amount your head weighs. Most heads, on average, weigh 10 to 14 pounds. Now, if you would extrapolate that and take that into a real world situation, think of a bowling ball. Most bowling balls are on the high end 10 to 14 pounds. So you take that bowling ball and stick it on top of your body. Something's going to have to keep that up there. So basically the muscles in your upper back and neck, your ligaments, the joints of your spine have to maintain that position so your head doesn't flop down and hit you in the chest. So if we move that object in front of our body, it actually causes more stress. They've done studies on it, and through gravitational forces, every inch your head moves forward, it gains 10 pounds. Move it 2 inches forward, 3 inches forward. You could be up to 30 to 34 pounds of pressure that needs to be absorbed by those muscles and those ligaments. You know, if you palpate around or you feel around anybody in this area right here and you do it to yourself right now, you're going to probably feel some kind of bumpy, knotty things up there. That's not the way that's supposed to be. The reason you're having that is because those muscles have been under high load for extended periods of time for years now. So you're going to develop adhesions, you're going to develop trigger points in those muscles, which can be felt all the way down into the mid to even the low back. The other area that can be affected is the actual spine itself. So the joints of the spine or the bony need to wear and chin backwards. It's an ab fix this. All right, so let's go through 3 exercises we can use to try to correct this forward head posture and these postural distortions we see in people. The first one we're going to go through is called a chin tuck. Basically, if you turn to the side, you're going to take the head typically is in that forward head position. Well, we're just going to reverse it. We're just going to bring it back. Some people, this is actually a very hard thing to do, but essentially all we're going to do is we're going to tuck the chin backwards. It's an abnormal motion for people, and it feels weird. And some people don't even have great range of motion when they do it. So what we'll have people start out doing is taking 2 fingers, placing it on their chin, and they're gently going to push backwards. Okay? You're going to go as far as you feel comfortable. If this causes any abnormal pain in your neck or any abnormal pain anywhere else, this is not a good exercise for you and you should not do it. But we're just trying to accentuate or trying to get that chin to go backwards to get your body more comfortable being in that position. Initially, it might just feel awkward and a little bit uncomfortable or achy. That's totally normal because your body's not used to that. You've spent so much time with your head in this position, getting it back to a normal position here is not going to feel great for you. So this exercise, generally there's 2 ways to do it. We can do repetitions or we can do holds. So you can just sit there and work on, if you're using your fingers, pushing back nice and slow, repetitions. 10 to 15 is usually a good number. As you get comfortable with it, you want to take your fingers away. You want to learn to be able to do that motion yourself. So what you should essentially feel is some packing in the front of your neck. It gets kind of tight. And then you might feel a little bit of stretch discomfort in this upper back, in this upper neck here, which is totally normal. So 10 to 15 times in the reps, or you can do holds. So you can sit here and you can hold the position for up to 10 seconds, and you can just repeat that 5 times. This is an easy exercise. Feel a little bit of stretch discomfort in this upper back, and with it, you want to take your, it's not just that side like this, so you're in the shape of a W. So you're simply going to take your shoulder blades on your back, and you're going to squeeze them together and down. So my shoulder blades are on my back, I'm bringing them together and down. The analogy for most people is feel like you're tucking your shoulder blades in your back pocket. It's really important with this exercise that you don't overdo it. You're not sitting there trying to squeeze your shoulder blades as hard as possible. That is actually going to bring your shoulders up, which is the opposite of what we want to do. So if I'm going to spin around, I'm going to show you what it looks like from the back side. So if we're here with the W position, you're gently going to bring your shoulders together and down. Again, you're not jamming them together here. It's just a gentle squeeze together. You should feel this contraction go on in that mid-back. At the same time, it's really important to pay attention to your head position. Most people, as they do this, move that head forward, just like we don't want to do, right? So you want to get that head in a nice neutral tucked position like we showed you in exercise 1. And then at the same time, a gentle squeeze between those shoulder blades. With this exercise, you're going to hold. You're going to hold 5 seconds, and then you're going to repeat 5 times. So again, we're working on bringing those shoulder blades together and down slightly. And we can hold, good 5-second hold, and relax. And you're going to do it again. You're going to tuck and squeeze the shoulders. It's a very small movement that you see in the mid-back and the shoulder blades, and relax. So the third exercise we're going to do is a good combination exercise. It takes in pieces of the first and second exercise and it expands on that even further. It's called the YWLT exercise. So 4 letters. It's basically going to describe the position. We're going to expand your hands to the side. Now we're rooting our elbows to our side. We want to make sure we get in a good 2 count. So however you want to remember it.
All you need to do is click on a link somewhere here on the video.
Welcome back. Now there's the stream. Subscribe, comment, drop a like if you haven't. Didn't stream yesterday, so gonna make my streams a bit longer this coming days. Announcement: we might do some schedule changes coming soon. So stay tuned. Today, let's continue with the collab on converting the intent-based approach to navigation-based approach. Let's do this. To the, what's that called? Fragment-based approach. Activity main. Actually, there's no recycler view. Make that into fragment container view. Why is this so much longer? Oh, duh. There's an XML in this app. Yep. We read the steps already. Why is preview not available? Get a letterless fragment. Once that, this fragment should appear on the navigation graph in the middle of the screen. And also select a specific destination using the component tree that appears on the left. Create a navigation action. To create a navigation action between the letterless fragment to the wordless fragment destination, hover your mouse over the letterless fragment destination and drag from the circle that appears on the right onto the wordless fragment destination. Did the drag. You'll see arrows being created to represent action, and has a name. Super long action. Letterless fragment to wordless fragment. Looks long but very logical name. Yep. Navigating between intents. Put extra to have. I think you still have the little extra information. Wordless fragment. Change the attribute and the argument. Click the plus button, create new argument. Letter. Wait. A wordless fragment. Okay, I already have the letter, string. The nav grab, you need to set the letter list as a start destination. Set the start destination by selecting letter list fragment and clicking the assign start destination button. The nav graph editor now. Did assign a start. Why is it no preview though? Is it because there are warnings? Not sure whether they have preview. Text tab of navigation editor. Let's see it. fuck it though. Continue with this. That build. Build projects. Leather adapter. Okay, I think I saw this one last time. If I just run it, would that bit do it? No. I'm gonna open up another project to make sure it builds. What's this? Diesel clicker. Let's see if there's an issue with the installation. I don't think there's an issue. There's the installation. So it's not the issue of the general installation. Let's see. Fix Android SDK. What's that called? Preference. It's not using 32. Let me install a few more, see if it helps. Let's try out the emulator. Better? Much better, maybe? Possibly? Nope. Use this. It's not too long ago. There's one error. Oh, sync first. Yep, why only just copy and pasted that in? Compile SDK. What the fuck's good is that way? 32 sync. Just do syncing on the what this one. Yeah, this one uses 30. Let's see if they're issues. $5 ago. SDK, SDK tools tab. Select what Google Play licensing library. Okay, I'm gonna get more. Finish. Let's try this. Let's try this. They also removed these lines. I don't know if it's gonna do anything. Let's try this. Nope. Can I do 30 then? I do 31. 31. Messed it up, right? That's it. The 30 is too low. Let's try 31. Manifest merger failed. How cute. Just call it false. I don't care. Main activity. Windrun manifesto. Where is it? Here. Activity. Why is it giving me the error? This was the truth. Let's try again. If this works, I want to change it to 32. Oh, nice. Nice. I want to change it to 32. Where is it? What do I want to change to 32? I want to change the build Gradle. Compile SDK version and target SDK version. Bada bing, bada boom, my friend. I like the latest stage. Good, very good, very good. I'm gonna build again now that I sync. Bada bing, bada boom. Where was I? Fix this SDK business. Go back to the collab. You're welcome, Google. Oh, shit. Oh, we go to this one. Let's search for detail activity, right? Detail. Titalo. Good, very good. Well, I think I did this already. Never mind. Oh, make sure that did the review project. Let me make sure. Let's see if I can see the graph. Still cannot. Interesting. Interesting. Perform the navigation action. Open up. Let the tab to AD to perform the navigation action. Requires only 2 steps. Delete the button cell. Click listener. Instead, you need to retrieve the navigation action you just created. Set. It's weird. Another adapter, KT. Oh boy. Nope, definitely don't remember this. Excuse me. We're set on click, set on. Just delete the content. Oh, I think we got a dot for this stuff. No, you don't need that dot, I guess. I'm okay with that. Sweet lo-fi, royalty-free music. Sorry. Oh. I'm sorry, this sounds really weird. I'll take my jets back. Never mind. 90-10 push-ups first. Proton mechanism. This class's and function names and let's be coerced. They've been automatically generated after you build the project. It's your save R's plugin you added in the first step kind of name the action created to navigate about turn into code that you can use. The names, however, should be fairly intuitive. Letterless fragment directions that for the all possible navigation paths starting from the letterless fragments. The functions action letterless fragment to wordless fragment. So specific action to navigate to wordless fragment. Create a nav control the property. This is marks its latent. Here. So content we want to create get a reference of nav fragment. So this is the nav host, right? Probably the first starting fragment, I think. So why don't you just automatically assign it? On support, navigate up. Not selling default nav host to trace and this method allows you to handle. But however, your team needs to provide the implementation. Hey, what do you expect? The two. Doesn't really matter. There's no wish to import, really. There you go. One of the two. I'm using fragments to intend extract for the letter they use for this fragment logo. Let's see what we added here, right? So we set the controller and then find the host for the first fragment, and we set that host to be the controller, I think. Then the action bar, make sure that it appears. This one I don't know what it's doing. Default now host true. I'm gonna make sure this actually happens. Where's XML? This one. Default now feels true. So there we go. There we go. That's weird. Letter IDs. Rowless fragment. Letter ID. On create. Make sure it's on create, not the other two. On create. Where's on create? Get string of letter. To make you aware of the E parameter. Key value pair. On you created. The ID is already there. Row adapter. takes in the string, takes in the context. Debating. To use fragments before any changes are made, add bar for each fragment and descriptive title. This part's missing from the detail activity. Label. Strings.xml. Now grab this one and label right. List fragment. Why do they have a name already? The string out there. Go to this fragment label. Let's do it. restart. And restart completely. Things ready. Looks like pretty good. Let's go. Yeah, baby. Yeah. So it runs but doesn't. Huh? What am I watching? Why don't you move? This is terminated, okay? No shit. I know it's not on. You kidding me? Can you? Windows doing. Still extra paper. Let's finish. Give me that. B. Pesto. Yeah. No thanks. Okay, that's good. Go back. Let's do a G. Great. Good. Cool, we got it working. Fragments are reusable pieces, life cycle fragments. It's kind of close, but it's all different on the object created on preview. Then you can use a nav graph to like go from fragments to fragments. Then you can use what's it called? You can use something else to pass the extras. This is the other thing here. Many have stimulation entirely with a single activity. It's good for architecture. Cool. That's another one done. It's a pretty big one actually. You're joking. Anyway. That's the end of the recording. See you guys next time. Peace.